Hey guys, yesterday my husband marinated and grilled chicken for us, so I've got all this leftover chicken. So today, since my son's on a lasagna kick lately, we're gonna make chicken Alfredo lasagna. Let me show you how we make it. All right, first we're gonna preheat our oven to 375 degrees, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start sauteing a sweet onion and a red bell pepper. And if your family likes mushrooms, I would totally love to add mushrooms to this, but my family doesn't like mushrooms that much. So I'm just going with the onions and the pepper. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that sauteing. I know many of you have been wondering where I've been for the last few months. I haven't posted videos, and I've had a lot of people ask me, when I was gonna start posting again. So hopefully this is the beginning of a new trend of me being able to post. As most of you know, last fall in September, unexpectedly lost my dad. And from there, life got insanely crazy. I think things are finally starting to settle down. So I'm hoping I can get back to making more videos for you guys. All right, these have been sauteing for about 5 or 7 minutes, and they don't have to be completely soft, but you want the onions to start getting translucent. So now I'm gonna add in, and this is completely optional, a bag of frozen spinach. I'm gonna go ahead and start adding some salt and pepper to this. Once your spinach is cooked a little bit, you're gonna go ahead and add in a little bit of garlic. I'm gonna add in whatever I've got left in this little jar. Once your garlic has cooked for just a minute or two, you're gonna add in your chicken. Like I said, this is chicken that my husband grilled yesterday. They're boneless, skinless chicken thighs. We marinated and grilled them yesterday. And that's leftovers. I'm just cutting them up. You can totally do a rotisserie chicken shredded up, or just some other chicken that you saute, cut up and saute, just however you want to do your chicken. So we're going to go ahead and add that in. Hey. You gonna tell everybody hey? And now, because this is leftover night and we try to make things easy, I'm gonna add jarred Alfredo sauce. Whatever Alfredo sauce you like the best. I prefer Rayo's, but the little grocery store I stopped at yesterday did not have it. So I just got what they had, which is this ragu. It'll be good. I'm using 2 of the big jars. They are 21.5 ounce jars. Can totally make homemade Alfredo sauce. That's just not in me today. I'm gonna add a little bit of milk to my jars and kind of shake them out, and to help thin out the sauce. I don't usually keep regular milk at my house. I have like vanilla almond milk. So all I have is heavy whipping cream, so that's what I'm using. You can use regular milk. You can use half and half. You can even use canned evaporated milk. Well, I don't think that was enough. I'm also going to add just a touch of water to help thin it out. So this is what my Alfredo sauce is looking like. You want it to be thick, but you want it to not be too thick, because you need your noodles to soak up some of the sauce. So now we're going to taste it and see if we need to add any seasonings. It's good, but I'm gonna add a little more salt and pepper. And I'm gonna add just a little bit of garlic powder and a little bit of Italian seasoning. That's perfect. So we're gonna cut the heat and we're gonna start assembling our lasagna. So the first thing we're gonna do is put a little bit of the sauce down in the bottom. And I'm gonna layer in some oven ready lasagna. Now we're gonna put in a little bit more sauce. Now I'm gonna layer in some Italian blend shredded cheese. Now we're gonna repeat the layers until it's full, or until we run out of ingredients, one or the other. All right, guys, well, that worked out perfect. I used a whole box of noodles and I used 1.5 bags of that Italian cheese. So we're ready to go in the oven. I'm gonna put some foil on it and we're gonna stick it in our 375-degree oven, and we're gonna cook it for about 35 to 40 minutes covered. And then I'm gonna take off the cover and cook it until it's bubbly and golden brown on top, and then I'll let you know how long that is. Okay, guys, look at that. Ooh, doesn't that look good? I cooked it for about 40 minutes with the foil on. I took the foil off and cooked it for about 12 minutes. So I'm just gonna let it sit for a few minutes and let the sauce, the noodles soak up the sauce, cool off for a minute, and then we'll fix our plates and we'll do a taste test. Okay, guys, we're here for the taste test of our chicken Alfredo lasagna that we made with leftover grilled chicken from yesterday, and we have made a whole nother meal with it that we will eat on for another 2 or 3 days. So we've made this one pack of chicken thighs stretch for 3 to 4 suppers for us. So that's a win in my book. Hey. So let me show you. Aaron's piece came out prettier than mine, so I'll show you Aaron's piece. So there it is, plated up. Chicken Alfredo lasagna. Okay, so now we're gonna do the taste test. It's hot, so be careful. Do you want me to help you cut it? Okay. That is so good. It's very rich and creamy. That is good. Thank you. All right. We forgot to bring Aaron's talker. Okay. There you go. The lasagna expert over here seems to be eating it up. Is it good, Aaron? Yes. We've started a new habit of shaking our head no first and then yes. So I'm not sure what's going on with that, but anyway. Yeah. Can you use your talker to tell me?
Yummy.
Oh, and we got a yummy. Is it good? Yes, it's good.
No.
Daddy, do you want a bite? We'll let Daddy take a bite and see what he says.
Take a bite.
Here, you want me to help you cut it? Ooh, yum, Aaron.
Well, I can't get it. Sounds good.
Okay, well, that's it for us for tonight. What? I know, you ready to tell them bye? Okay, so that's it. Bye, y'all.